Guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be talking about my classmates, part 2 or 3. I do not know, guys. We're going to have to talk about Alex. You heard me. Alex. He's in 3rd grade and acts like a kindergartner. He doesn't even know, what is wrong with this dude? Alex, you can't escape me. I am stronger than you. I literally beat you in the arm wrestle. Get body slammed, boy. Are you telling the teacher? Shut up! Oh my god. He always gotta complain, and bro doesn't even know it's 3 plus 3. He said it was 4. Oh my god. He doesn't even know how to count by 5s or 3s. He doesn't know how to count by nothing. But this one time. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god. Okay, this time we were playing Blookit. I stole gold from him, and he decided to cry about it. Like, bro, Simon, that's serious. Go cry to someone else. Here's, for example, bro decided to cry. Just watch. Just look. Legacy, I stole gold from you. Legacy, you're a poo-poo head. Go talk to your mom about it. Oh, wait, never mind. You can't. I'm telling the teacher. Okay, go tell the teacher, dummy. Besides, this one time, he decided to go too far. And this is the last video part. I was just chilling on the thing, playing tag. He pushed me. Oh my god. I thought this was the end of my life. Then, push. He decided to laugh about it. Got you. It almost turns out that I almost sprained my ankle because of him, and I almost broken a bone. I told the teacher, and he did not get in trouble. Love you guys. Have a good day.